Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how to remove semi-permanent hair dye from a wig. Well, this is a wig that I did a burgundy color, but I have never worn it because I didn't buy enough pack of the L'Oreal highlight magenta hair color. So I want to turn it back into like a brown at the tip, and then I might just dye the top into like a soft black. So the first thing three things that you're gonna need for this video is a shampoo. You're gonna need a strong detergent, which I'm using Ajax. You're gonna need also some baking soda, and the key ingredient, a pot of hot boiling water. So first thing I'm gonna do is put in the detergent into the pot. The water is already hot, so I'm just pouring the detergent in. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with my shampoo. You can pour in a generous amount until the water becomes sooty, and I'm using a kitchen spoon. Then I'm gonna go in, I think that needs more shampoo because I need the water to be extremely sooty. So I'm stirring the hot water. Then I'm gonna go in with the baking soda. Oops. You don't have to measure this amount. I don't have much that's left in here, so that was okay for me. Let me show you guys how inside the pot looks. So the water is extremely sooty right now, as you guys can see. It's an old pot I'm using, so yeah. So now I'm gonna go in and dip the wig into the pot. Okay, so I'm gonna go in and dip the hair into the pot now. You want to be very careful because the water, wow, you can see the color already removing. You want to be careful. Just let me lift this to show you guys. It's kind of really hard. I should have done it on the front burner, but anyhow, you can see the color is already coming off because the water is turning red. So I'm dipping that and just dipping. I think I might leave it in there for like 15 minutes on its own to let the water recede. Not the water, the color recede off the hair. Wow, I'm loving this. Okay, so we're gonna let that sit for at least 15-20 minutes. And wow, it's very hot. Just be careful with this, guys. And I'm gonna go and do like other house chores, and then I'll be back to check on it. Like, guys, look at that. Color is coming right off, like right off. Okay, so I'm gonna let that sit for a bit, and then we'll be back to check on it. Okay guys, so I'm going in with a second time with the hair because the water was red and I wanted to throw that water off and then add some more. As you guys can see, the color is barely red anymore. So I'm just going to go in with the final lap. See, it's coming through. The brown color is coming back through. So I'm going to put that in the hot boiling water. So the water is heating up now, and I'm going to do that. The next clip is when the hair is dried for me to show you how it actually looks. Guys, so I did go ahead. It's now like a week later after me actually trying to get the red out of the hair, or the burgundy out of the hair. I did wear the hair for like the entire week, and I took it off. It's a bit greasy now though, but anywho, as you guys can see, it did come back to the brown color, and I freaking love this. Like, this is such a big freaking helper So if you guys have like any hair that is like red or pink or purple and you want to get rid of that color, instead of going out and purchasing a newer wig to customize into a different color, because you ain't got that coin like that and you want to save, because we all need to save, I would definitely say go ahead and try this DIY. Yeah, DIY. And yeah, like look at that. Who would tell this wasn't a burgundy color before? Because the brown color makes me look a bit more mature. I don't know. Anyhow guys, love you all, and I hope that you guys appreciated this video, and until next time, ciao.